Hello, I'm back with my new video. In this video, we learn how to use Google Classroom. Okay, without wasting time, let's start the video. So, this is first screen. On the plus button, when we click, there are two options: create class and join class. You have to click on create class. If you are a teacher, write name. Your class is creating. Okay, the class is created. If you want to add student or teacher, you have to click on the people. On the third option, यहाँ पे आप ईमेल आईडी के द्वारा इनविटेशन भेज सकते हैं. यहाँ पे आप इस पे क्लिक करके कोड कॉपी कर सकते हैं. Okay, when we click on join class, we have to write here code and click on join. There is some problem in joining meeting. Wait. You can also create assignment here. Write the assignment title. Like this, do chapter 1. And we can also see assignment by refreshing here. You can also make here execution. By refreshing here, you can see teachers given classwork. You can answer here. You can see answer. We can also give marks here. Okay. You can also add your material. You can also add your attachment on every classwork, you can see here post. You can write, you can add here topics. We can also give classwork on the topic like this. Okay, so this is the end of video.